shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for July 31st, last day of July. So if you've had a great month, don't trade today. You're going to mess it up. No, I'm kidding. But definitely be nimble. Yeah, you don't want to mess it up on the last day of the month. That's always the worst. Anybody here ever do that? Had a great month and the last day? Oh, man. It's bad. Once, Patty? Yeah, see, Patty's the only one that's admitting to that. I love you, Patty. Oh, Mary Beth, yeah. I did it once. I think you only do it once. You never do it again, right? Yeah, don't do it. All right. So the SPY today, we're going to be bullish above 326. We actually had a... somebody got filled all the way up at 327. See if I can pull it up. I was just talking about it in the room. Let's see if I can find... There it is. See that? Oh, right here. Somebody got a bad fill in the dark pool on the FADF exchange. Yep, that's going to be a lawsuit. Price discrepancy. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. So bullish above 326, bear below 324 for a retracement trade on the SPY. Let's head on over to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 3265, and we're going to be bearish below 3240. IWM bullish above 148.50. Yeah, IWM kind of stuck. Yep, right in between the 4 and the 8. So let's see which way it wants to go. You know, is it going to be a rounded top scenario? Or is it going to be a breakout? So it's at a really key spot, but it could be a tough day for the Russell. If it stays there, you're going to have an algo battle. But bullish above 148.50 above it, and bear below 147 below it. Let's head on over to the Nasdaq. That's where the action is happening, and that's where we had those massive dark pool prints the other day, right? At that 160 level. Yep, somebody knew something. We're going to be bullish above 266.50 and bear below 264.50 for a retracement trade back to earth. Let's go back to the let's go to the Nasdaq future. Sorry about that. I posted the wrong levels this morning. I corrected it. Bullish above 10,950. Yep. And then heading on to 11,000, you guys. Yeah, 11,000. We've tested that once, twice. Will it be 3 times the charm? We'll see. If we can break above that, we could be headed much higher. So let's see if we can get there. Let's go to the oil futures. Oil futures. Hold on a minute. Let me just grab those. All right. Oil futures. Bring them over here. Yep. Well, we're below those trend lines, right? I'll just refresh your memory once again right here. Yeah. Oil earnings are coming out today. Is this a rounded, dreaded, yeah, dead cat bounce? Dreaded H pattern. I mean, there's so many names for that. But let's go to the 5-minute chart. We're going to be bullish today above 40.45, bear below 40 for these oil futures. Let's go to the gold futures. Gold futures, we are going to be bullish above 1997.50, and we're going to be bearish below 1988 for the gold futures. All right, let's, did you see what they did last night though? Look at that. We hit 2005 while we were sleeping. Well, most of us. I woke up just after that, but wow, right? Will we go up there again? Look at that big volume too. Yeah, big surge and upthrust. So that would be really the key. If we closed above that, the sky's the limit. All right, let's go to individual stocks today. Let's head on over to Apple. Apple is a beast this morning. Now we're going to be bullish above 413.50. Yep. Or, you know, so is it going to be a pop and pop, or a pop and drop. So remember, we're going to use that. I have a solid line today on this software. This green line, bullish above after the first 15 minutes. If we can stay above that, it's usually a gap and go higher. But at 9:45 Eastern, if we stay below it, it's usually a pop and drop. All right, so I always like to have those retracement trades for you. So bear below 408.75. Bullish above 413.50. Let's go to Amazon. So same situation. Is it going to be a pop and pop higher? So 32.50 is the key level. $50 increments are strong. Bearish below 3,200. Let's go to United Armour. Under Armour, not United Armour. Under Armour, UAA. We're going to be bullish above 13.25. Yeah, definitely wicked pretty high this morning. Look at the high volume too. Yeah, so I really want to go above this body. That's why I picked that of the high volume bar. If we're going to go higher, if not, looks like a pop and drop scenario is happening right now. Bear below 12.50. There's a seller there right now on EdgeX. Let's head on over to CVX, Chevron. Yeah, not looking good this morning. We're going to be bullish only above 85.25 for retracement. And then bear below 83.75. We've already gone down and hit quite a few targets. We do have a lot more, so don't worry. Yep. Watch that 82.50 level. That's going to be really key right now. 82.59 though is a very good target. Watch that level as well. But if we don't hold 32.50, look out below. ExxonMobil also not having good earnings. Looks like we're going to be bullish above 43 for retracement and bear below 41.25 for ExxonMobil. All right, Gdx Gold starting to shine again this morning. We're going to be bullish above 43. And we're going to be bearish below 41.62. Okay, let's head on to KNDI. This is a great trade on the short side yesterday. Hope you guys grabbed that retracement trade. So finally retraced back to the 4 EMA, which is a very popular pattern. And we're going to be bullish above 950. All right, if it starts to head back up again, we're going to be bearish below 8 if it does go below there. So we're kind of stuck in between those levels right now. Let's head over to Facebook. Also another trend trader today. We're going to be bullish above 252, bear below 248. We'll see if we do get any big prints on these guys as well in the morning. Pinterest popping up bullish above 33. We've already gone up and hit almost all our targets. It went to the last quarter instead of the last 8. So now I would watch that 34 level. Yeah, bullish above 34. And we're going to be bearish below 30 for a retracement trade. Tesla, we're going to be bullish above 1540. And we're going to be bearish below 1487. And then next we have NEO. Yeah, NEO, I'm still waiting for this one. Yep, waiting to see if it's going to fulfill this flag formation or if it's, oops, sorry about that. It's not going to let me draw good lines. Here's a flag in yellow. It's a little faint. Or we have a gap here. So I've really been watching that 13 level for a couple days. Has not been able to go above it. Maybe today it will. It did have a lot of pre-market volume, so we'll see if that'll be enough rocket fuel to propel this thing. Let's go to silver. Silver is shining once again. We're going to be bullish above 22.75 and bearish below 22.25. There you have it. Those are your whispers for July 31st. Until next time, happy trading and have a great weekend, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.